Okay, folks, I want to tell you I really appreciate all the cooperation this morning. This is one of the busiest days. First day of school is one of the busiest days we have, and actually, it went a little smoother than I thought. There are clearly some kinks that we need to work out, and I'm going to go over a couple things that will help us as we move through our second day of the drop-off and pick-up exchange areas. First, just a little history. After talking to a parent, I think I should illustrate a few things. One, we used to have the buses right here. The problem with our growing population, the number of kids we have, the space to get all the kids here, and then especially right here, um, just didn't work out, that we ran out of space. So when there's snow, um, the kids have no place to stand because it's a tight sidewalk, and they'll land right here, right up to the church lot. So that's the main reason why we're taking the buses and we're moving them to the front, because so they have the greater space. Two, we were blocking the Prairie Ridge Drive, we were blocking Ash, and then there was another intersection just east of here that we were impacting as cars were lining up to get into the lot to pick up. So we're taking it off of three streets basically and putting the congestion onto one. Next, this morning between um, 8:30 and 9 o'clock from this area here, dropping off and leaving took parents 30 seconds to a minute. So by adjusting your time of drop off 15 minutes, you're in and out of that. You're going to save that clearly um, for the drop off time. Then from 8 o'clock, or excuse me, 9 o'clock to 9:05, the time it took for a car to get through here and drop off was 4 minutes. And then it quickly increased to 6 minutes. We plateaued at 7 minutes. That does not count the amount of time that the cars were on Ash, just the time the cars were in the lot. And so from 9:05 to 9:25, that 20 minutes, we had over 100 to 300 cars, I do not have an exact count, get dropped off within that short 20-minute time frame. Now with that, since everybody's coming at one time, there is going to be backup, just like in any other situation. So I'm going to highly encourage that we spread that out a little bit more and think about that 7:30 to 8:05 on regular days, or 8:30 to 9:05 on Wednesdays. Another correct adjustment we're going to make, anywhere around here and here and here, kids can be dropped off. We do this, and then that moves it through a little quicker. The problem is we had no wait from this point on. There wasn't wait time in the morning. In the morning, there was no wait time there. But the exiting traffic was backed up to right about this spot right here. We increased this line to drop off, it goes quicker. If we can increase the number of cars dropping off here and here, the process will speed up. Finally, exit right to the south. If you think about the total time of the whole process, if we exit to the right, we don't back up. There will be a little line here, but it's not going to cause as big of a problem as it is turning left. It's also safer to come here. So tomorrow we can do these little adjustments, and there's no doubt in my mind that we're going to have a quicker drop off in the morning, as well as a pick up and leave in the evening. Thank you, and we're hoping that day two goes slightly a little bit smoother.